Hello children, I am Rakesh sir, continuing with unit 7. The poem name is Puppy and I. As you know, we have learned this poem already, and in the previous module we learned the sounds of different animals, right? Now in this module we will learn different types of animals like domestic animals, wild animals, okay? So one by one we shall find out, and this is module number 4. Alright, so let us continue. There are mainly two types of animals. As you can see the pictures in the picture, you can see lion, tiger, hen, cow, okay. So all these are animals here in this picture, and we have mainly two types of animals. One, domestic animals, and second, wild animals. Alright, so let us study one by one. Now, what is domestic animal? We should know the meaning, okay. The animals that are used to produce food and for labor are called as domestic animals. This is the definition of domestic animal, and the examples are horse, cow, buffalo, goat, hen, etc. Now, as per the definition, what is domestic animal? The animals that are used to produce food. Now, cow gives us milk, right? Buffalo gives us milk, goat gives us milk, hen gives us egg, okay. These animals gives us food. While labor means the animals which we use for our work, okay, that is for our labor. For example, farm labor or any other kind of work, that is tonga, horse tonga, okay, bullock cart. We use it for our purpose. So horse can be used for carrying people from one place to another place, or even in marriages horse is used. During olden days horses were used for wars. So there were many uses of horses, okay. So for our own purpose, that is for labor and for producing food, for getting food, we use animals. And when we use these animals for our own purpose, then these animals are domestic animals, because we keep them, so they are domestic animals. Understood? Let's move to the next slide. Now, what is wild animal? What is the meaning of wild animals? Exactly opposite to the domestic animal. Let us learn. Animals that are not kept by human beings and live in natural environment on their own are called as wild animals. Let us see the examples. Tiger, lion, deer, hippo, wolf, fox, giraffe, jackal, elephant. It's elephant, it's not elephant, it's elephant, ELEPHANT, okay, elephant, and bear, etc. So these animals are wild animals and they live in natural environment, maybe in forests or open grassland or somewhere, but these animals are not kept by human beings. We do not domesticate them, we do not keep these animals with us, okay. They are wild animals. All right, let's see the next one. Now list these animals under domestic and wild animals. So here are some animals. Let's see the animals. Jackal, fox, tiger, dog, cow, elephant, bear, sheep, goat, buffalo. So we need to find out which amongst them are domestic and which are wild animals. So we will sort them out. Let us see one by one. So domestic animals, first we shall find out. First one is dog, okay. Then next comes cow, all right. The next is sheep, okay. Then goat, and then buffalo, okay. So these are domestic animals, and remaining animals are wild animals. Let's see one by one. Jackal, fox, tiger, elephant, bear. All right. So these animals are wild animals. In your textbook, this question is there. You can go through that. Let's move to the next slide. Now let us talk about rhyming words. All right. Now rhyming words are nothing but similar sounding words. The pronunciation should sound similar. All right. So let's see one by one. Hill. The rhyming words for the hill is kill bill. Okay. Kill bill. Hay. The rhyming word for hay is ray day. The next is fine. Rhyming word for fine is shine and also line. Then next is get. The rhyming words for get is pet jet. Next is going, showing, rowing. Do you know rowing? What is rowing? Rowing is nothing but when the people row the boats, rowing of the boats. Like in Kerala, there is a rowing competition of boats. Okay, so rowing means like driving the boat in the water. That is rowing. We drive vehicle on the road and we do rowing of boat in the water. All right, next. Here, dare, rare. So these are some rhyming words. We get it from the poem, and I shall give you some more rhyming words to write on your own in the handout. You can solve it carefully. Okay, let's see the next slide. Okay, now we learnt a poem. Now another small kind of poem or a kind of information about Bruno is given here. Let's read out. Bruno is my pet puppy. He breaks his dish. Oh, he is sad. Daddy gives him milk, but Bruno is sad. Mummy gives him a new dish. Now Bruno is happy. Bruno is my pet puppy. He breaks his dish. He is sad. Daddy gives him milk, but Bruno is sad. Mummy gives him a new dish. Now Bruno is happy. So I read it twice so that you will understand it nicely. And Bruno, we are talking about Bruno. Bruno is a dog, and it is clearly mentioned here. It is pet puppy. Okay, and pet puppy means that is you are keeping that puppy in your home. So that is pet puppy. But unfortunately, he breaks his dish. Okay, we allot a dish to our pet puppy, and in that dish we serve food to the puppy. But while playing or while eating or while doing something, he broke the dish. Now he is sad because he doesn't have the dish, and it was his favorite dish, I think so. That's why he is sad. He is not feeling well. On that, daddy comes and daddy gives him milk. What does he give? Milk. But Bruno is sad. After giving milk also he is sad. So see how much he loves his dish. Okay. Now mummy comes. Mummy gives him a new dish. Okay. And now Bruno is happy because he got his dish. And that is also new dish. Okay. Now the pet puppy is happy. Bruno is happy. Okay. Let's see the next slide. Choose the right words. Now children, let me tell you something. You can see some tick marks. Okay. and the tick marks are at not right position. So I shall tell you the answers of these 5 fill in the blanks. You have to listen to this to me carefully, then you can write the correct answer. Okay, then you will get the correct answer. Let's see. First one, Bruno is my dash, pet or dish. What? Bruno is my pet. Next, he breaks his dish, not fish but dish. He breaks his dish. Daddy gives him milk, not water. Answer is milk. Mummy gives him a new dish. The correct answer is dish. Bruno is now happy. The correct answer is happy. Bruno is now happy. Okay, so all the answers I have told. Again I shall repeat it, the answers only. First answer is pet. Bruno is my pet. Next answer is dish. Then third answer is milk. Fourth answer is dish. And fifth answer is happy. So remember children, do not commit mistake in this. You can ignore these tick marks, and these are wrongly placed. So you can ignore this error, and I am telling you the correct answer. You can note down the correct answers. Okay. So in this way we conclude our module 4, and we shall continue further till the time you have to write the handout in the notebook. All right. Take care. Bye bye.